Pumasok ka muna. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Tado.
Ninang natulog na.
Beyan! Owen! Hindi, papakita natin din. Magulong ang mundo. Yuwin! Yurin! Ayaw ngumiti. Naku, meron din doon nagbablog.
Hi, fans.
Charito! May humahabol. Melvin! Ay!
Ayaw ko ni Royan.
Sino to? Anong pangalan nito? Jonah! Sophia!
Sabay.
Nat! Ay! Tita Marlene!
Kaya sabi ni
Jazz!
Jazz! Hello.
Oh, look, awakan mo na, anak.
Kala ko nagagawin yun.
Rodel! Ludwig!
Ano ta? Kaya ano?
Ano tayo na umabot sa kanan, hindi na naman lang yun ha. Puro magkakaawin.
Ayan, magugulo ang aking mga... Teka muna, Michael!
Ano bang papansit para pinakain?
Parang madilim. Anak, paki-hold mo lang sa Kanta! Happy birthday to you!
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Wala pa nga eh.
Hoy, panalo po dyan, di yan horror ka.
Ba?
Birthday, Mami. Wish ko sana, good health and mahaba pa ang buhay. Every day, every night. It's alright.
Happy birthday, Mother! Wish you all birthday to come and happy and good health always. We love you!
Hey, Mami, more birthdays to come.
Ayan na, nasama na sa video.
Happy birthday, Mami. More swimming to come.
May more candles to blow and do. More birthdays to come. Good health. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Mami. Na. Love you.
Birthday, Mommy. More birthdays to come. Wish namin lagi ka pang umuwi, lagi tayong magkita-kita. Mama.
Birthday, Mami. Love you.
Masilip ka doon.
Happy birthday po, mami. Happy birthday, me. Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. At pag bumalik ka ng Florida, sana wag mo ako mamiss.
Wala? Happy birthday na lang, mami. Wishing you good health and more birthday to come.
Birthday, Grandma. Birthday, Mami. Good health and stay healthy.
Happy birthday. Stay healthy and more birthdays to come.
Birthday, me. Wish you all the best. Sana marami pang birthday tayo magkakasama.
Hey, Mami, wish ko lang sana maraming birthday pa na magkakasama tayo and ingat sa lahat ng mga lakad at agenda mo. Love you. Mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday, tita. Sana wish ko lang na marami pang birthday dumating at maging malusog ang iyong pangangatawan at gumaling na sana yung namamagang paa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mami. Wish you all the best. Good health and more money. Yo, 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 yo.
Happy birthday, mami.
Hey, mami. Wish ko ay umaba pa ang iyong buhay. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Mami. Wish you a good health and more birthdays to come. And more package to come.
Happy birthday, mami. Sana lagi ka namin makasama.
Happy birthday, Tita Edna. Wishing you good health and more happiness.
Birthday, Tita Edna. Wish you in good health and long life. More blessing to come. I love you, Tita Edna.
Birthday, Mami! More birthday to come! Birthday, Mami! More birthday to come!
Happy birthday, mami. Tas isang wish.
Happy birthday, Mami. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay good health. Yun lang. Thank you.
Birthday, Mami. More birthdays to come and stay healthy.
Happy birthday, Mami! More birthday to come!
Happy birthday, Mami. More birthday to come and good health, more beer.
Mami, happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. 60 ba? Si Mami. Happy 72 pala. 72nd birthday. Wish ko ay magkaroon ka ng good health, sumeksi, at magpadala ng biyaya sa Pilipinas. Bye-bye. Love you.